Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Your iPhone has battery and network access. Open Settings, then General, then Date and Time. If Set Automatically is off, turn it on to pull time from your carrier or network. This often fixes drift. If you need a manual fix, toggle Set Automatically off and tap the time to edit. Make sure the time zone listed matches your location because incorrect zones produce wrong clock readings. Once you've accessed date and time, decide whether automatic or manual control is needed. If manual, set hours and minutes precisely, then enable Set Automatically again to resync. To force the phone to fetch the correct network time, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds and off. This reestablishes carrier time signals. Make sure to restart your iPhone after making changes so background services update. Restarting clears transient glitches that can keep the wrong clock displayed. To finish, compare your iPhone clock with a reliable reference and confirm the time zone again. If discrepancies persist, update iOS. Bugs can affect time services. Then reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset to clear corrupted network data. If the clock still misbehaves, one key troubleshooting step is to contact your carrier to confirm network time delivery. If carrier time looks fine, reach out to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.